How to find your account notifications settings uh, on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click the three lines here, and now go to settings, and here we'll find notifications, and that's it. Here you can manage your account notification settings, and here you can turn off or on important messages alerts, and I hope that can help you. Just turn it off or on and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.